Hey, hey. Em sarung tsamai. Olea wolongo I porotu le mapur tsamalua. Wolongo I mua ngoi loto I peo le faiva ya filo mea. Wolongo fo ya vave sa fia finga fulu ula le fanua. Ina ia ola salvao. A lea wolongo I wolongo a. Wolongo le tuli le tata. Fai mai alo loma le suatanga nai le tafola o le fea ngai mata. E whaasifo le seunga nai le tafu o le maungsa. Ai asi tau le tai nai le awa le sali murianga. E la lango fo lau le tai le vai nai le matafa nua o le fale tanaroa. Ona manatu lea. Le awa tuta I tulo I pae le anu fale o le au tauina o le safo lau o le paia o sasau nei. Afi fio maia matala mai o au. Ai o loo vai e fai mato o lana sunga le tamai taipule. Le sunga ia I veta vui, le sui pule, le sunga ia Vivian Vauliko. Le ainga whaia onga ai mai se teni o le laumua, Sangata Maria I Sawalalo nei. E whaatalo whaatuai lo o tau paia o maru tau wee I le maru nei. Afi fio maia o tau a fionga I aunga whaapai o le tala le lei. A fionga I tamai taisa. A lea ua tuta I nu le lei le whainga malanga. Ono o la o tau whanua no ngā manu. Malo o tau muli papanga tui pea. E ala ila o tau whaiva lofi a au. O le Rosalio. Malo whai o le whaiva. O malo le soifua lau le lei. Le urulasi malama malo le whalaputi patonga tene tuai a Sangata Maria I Amerika. Bole Smoka USA Samoa. Le peres tene malo o tau au waa. Whaafitai yosi a inga le lei. Malo le alofa I alama whanau o le nei lau mua. Malo le soifua langi matafi. E sa vingi whapuno manu la ngona ma whanga e tia I le ngana mimita. Pea whai e a whialo tasa. A o se moe aluanga wha o Sofia atamai. I se suli ma se feoi. A o se lupe sa whalele a le nei lau mua. A wasa moa malona malo. A fio mai ala wa fionga le launga na ami. La wa fionga ngalu malemana. Titi tutu vanu swalka. Ua mapue matu mawalunga le aso I lo tara au mai. Tato te moli mawina whaatasi. Le aso le selselenga le whanau le nei tausanga. Malo le soifua langi maa. Malo le soifua fulau. Malo le soifua langi tau. Matuai. Wo ma au mea mamae ale nei aonga. O le upu moni. Ele ma whai e le susunga le tamai taipule. Ma le ainga whai a onga sa ngaluenga. Pe ale ailo o tau tau au so. Ma lo o tau lima whatasi. A lea ua api le uri le tafo launga. Ua ifo foi le tau lau mea I le nei tau sanga. Ma lo le alofa. Ma lo le soifua manuia. Le au fi ai. O tau sa ma whai ngā. O le ata o toia I whare o polo. Le lata la tonga luenga tau ave lea. Nei sasi se upu. Ona whai tau wina lea o lo vai. Ai wha maa lo le sopo soifua. Wha maa lo le langi mama. O upo le so. A whai sa e lulu maloi mata. E te sere fo I male alanga fia. Ai a whai wa whatamala I le ne tausanga. E toi tongo malama. E toi oso fo I le la. O mato toi upu. E awan e muta ai le tamawhai. E le I fausia Roma I se aso se tasi. Toi ti mata leo penga. Ma toi se saa le fafao. A wā tausanga asau. It is an honor to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate the achievements of our students in what has been an incredible year. A warm welcome to sisters Awhiunga Tamaitaisa, Smoker USA Samoa, parents, teachers, students, and especially our special guest, Awhiunga Ngalu Malimana Titi Tutuvanu Swalka, who have joined us for the end of this year Bridesgiving. It's a glad welcome we bring to you this morning, filled with the desires, hopes, and dreams we all share. Today is a day of recognition, reflection, and pride. It is a time to acknowledge the hard work, dedication, and perseverance of our students, and to celebrate the growth and accomplishments we have witnessed throughout the year. From academic achievements to personal milestones, from athletic triumphs to creative endeavors, today we shine a spotlight on those who have gone above and beyond. Every one of you has contributed to the vibrant and dynamic atmosphere that makes our school so unique. Whether you are receiving an award today or not, remember that each step you take, each lesson you learn, is an achievement in itself. The values of curiosity, resilience, and kindness are what truly define success. Keep striving to be the best version of yourself, and the rewards will follow. Today, as we present these awards, let's also remember that success is not just measured by trophies or certificates, but by the values we carry with us, the relationships we build, and the efforts we make towards personal growth. Every effort, big or small, is a step towards becoming who you are meant to be. So let's celebrate all of you, our outstanding students, the ones who have excelled and those who have shown courage and growth in the face of challenges. The future is bright, and we are incredibly proud, all of you, that you have achieved. So let's sit back, cheer loudly, and give our students the recognition they deserve. Let's make this Bridesgiving ceremony a memorable one. Thank you, Soifua Maia Manuia.
Fatalo fatu I le nu o le tua, nei tai au. O le ainga foi o le tua. A wala mai le tatou lau mua nei o sangata malia. Le nawa mai au na, pai le tatou tai au, ma o le au le toyo iai. O le au, whasanga tonu loa I le ngā luenga e pei o na tō fia iau. Tātou te talo a mata. I le suafa o te mā ma le alo ma le anganga pa ia. Tātou pepese uma le laumua, le pese a malia na tali atuai, le au auna le atuai na wavalauina ia, e whai matinda o lo tātou whaola, ia po le pepe fau foi o lo tātou whaatali nei. beginnings and endings. We praise and thank you for the gift of this school year, 2024. It has been a time filled with grace and blessings, with challenges and opportunities, joys and sorrows. The days have passed quickly, O Lord. The weeks, the months, the school events and activities, the exams, the breaks and assemblies, all have come forth from you, O Lord. While we trust that your purposes have always been at work each day, sometimes it has seemed difficult to understand and appreciate just what you have been up to in our school. Give us the rest and refreshments we need during the break. Let our efforts, all of our efforts this year, bear fruit, and awards received today, symbols of your constant companioning us. Bring all our plans to a joyful celebration of Christmas and bless us according to your will. We now turn to our Mother Mary. Le vasenga fai ututu lai mai fa molmole. O le fesili le nei mo o tau. Wai le ta iala o le a o ngā sangata malia I Savalalo. O le moto le na o tau a o ngā. O le ale moto. Ia le au whau ia a vea maalia ma ta iala o lo wolanga. Au e tu ua ia Savalalo. Au nei ngalo ia te o tau. E mamau lo o e mamalia. Ia mamau o e mamanuia. Mai le tama malia. O le tama malia? O Yesu. Wala awatu le tatou ta pese, ta mai le pese le nei na fai ma moth ma theme a le vasenga valu le nei tau sanga le latou wha anoa fai. Magnificat.
Level 8 Living Certificate List 2024. Anastasia Une.
Come on.
Angeline Michaela. Cheryl Plessy, Alay Maisenga. Corina Tetadik. Ira Thompson. Faith Lemawai. Feiloai Heather. Foai Fale o le tala lei a Pulu. Glory Michael. Ya patpati e le fai ngofiele a mata mai sengtasi o le sengavalu wa fa mai ina ma lota wivi. Helen Oliver. Jacqueline Tevanga. Tam Fatup mai Savali. Chingwa Kiao. Laura Leigh Haggadah. Laureen Slayer Le Auvatsa. Ya, savali mal fa etete be afa yo e savali ma yo se vai muli umi afa tope mai. Lavin Afor. Lolina Feangai Maleata Aloy. Lucia Tanielu. Macholia Pazzolo. Manatua Nukulai. Yeah, absent Manatua. Maranatha Fatau. Marilisa Tonuu. Marcela Mawalaivao. Nia Hall. Oriana Wentz. Belay Maninoa Pritchard. Praise Tute. Precious Laban. Rulia Valico. Sally Lametta. Samantha Jennifer Saili. Sheila Lotsu. Sunny Brienne Ula. Salaopo Samiu. Oi, sorry, Sayaopo. Saunese Welese. Teresa Cirilo. Varani Sese Viguli. Inés Sapolu. Hingwa Kiao. Patop Tope Mai. Louise Cheng Tang. Whakalia. Ailini Solomona. Ana Julia Lemsia. Anastasia Faumui. Anne Simoe Laban. Fatuptope Mai. Oski Maletino. Bernadette Onesemo. Cecilia Chang Fong. Caris Tingilao. Chang Ling Polito. Eleanor Salvation Fatu. Adriana Tupai. Flora Benny. Yeah, absent Flora Benny. Florina Queenie Maletino. Folola Nene. Matuptope. Kirchen Ferretti. Helena Rita Patch. Lay absent. Julina Aukilani. Catalina Iata. Katrina Lefua. Lia Savainaya. Loretta Fido. Maria Leitu Strickland. Mariana Famanatsu. Mary Vaughn Silva. Maureen Samuelu. Saula Valivainga Lena Lawatsuel Fasalonga from Molen. Maureen Samuelu. Petrolani Tongangae. Pauline Leota. Punipuao Fatu. Rianda Ana Fido. Sandisha Antonio. Sarah Faith Tawalangi. Sarah Samuelu. Telesia Strickland. Terava Aliong. Tesma Leana. Trinity Kitiona. Vaifo Alailua. Veronica Maniti. Vineta Antelea. And Grace Mantafa. Ya sauma oena eno fomai, masalo tele langona lo swafa lena la wat. Right, well done girls, you complete your year 8 level in St. Mary's Primary School. Mai sepat tele Santa Maria, mole au fai waso, molato spasi, wa fai wina lato, tau sanavalu, tono Santa Maria savalalo. Pamalo faftai lau sunga launga na ami lau afionga nga manmana titi tutubana swaka molo sao neita eau matangofie ai mai sektau au ino tu spas.
Malo faftai on sai matua before ya fionga i tamai taisa ya leo tato o mai le fa vasenga fa waso. A seravalu potus fulmalima ya fa fonga mai lo swafa fa tup mai tato ilumanei. First in religious education, Macholia Bartolo. First Equal
equal in written expression, Cinque Kiao Macholia Patolo. First in English, Macholia Patolo. First in mathematics, Hinqua Kiao. First equal in social studies, Rulia Vaulico and Hinqua Kiao. First in science, Hinqua Kiao. First in Samoan language, Rulia Vaulico. First in music, Macholia Patolo. First equal in computer, Sally Lameta and Oriana Wentz. Tamoy. First in health and physical education, outside, Macholia Patolo. Most improved, tamatai sa fale tonu lona tulanga, sama maula vai tuan tulanga. Awa matautia le tau mafai ile suenga fai unei ma lo lava tam fai le tamatai fa awawai pea. Laura Leigh Hagedorn. Malo, Laura Leigh. First equal in visual arts, Cinque Kiao and Hinqua Kiao. Good service. Bota mai tai nei ngalului, e ngalului lele umalava tene. Ya yele tene alu apa la lu ngalului alesi. Ya onai tene lava ia. Ma lo fa maoni neto sanga atoa. Jacqueline Tevanga, Nia Ho, Marilisa Tonu. Tamoy. First in arts and crafts, Vines Sapolu, Luisa Changtang, and Marcela Mawalaivao. Tato wo mai tulanga vasenga. Third in place, Cinque Kiao. Second place in year 8, room 15, Hinqua Kiao. And first in place in year 8 through 15, 2024, Rulia Bauliko.
Ia, ole nei vasenga. O se vasenga, oh, ka o ka e. Kai ngā tā male amatanga, ale taimi nei, wa a ngelu umanta maiti. Pawhetai ai wha awawai, le a ngelu. Ia so oi luma matau samfou ia wa onga la wawati ai. Ia, a mata mai a onga wha kersiano. Ole wa wha manu ia ina, mole religious education, Sandisha Antonio. Ka tope mai Sandisha. Tusinga tala fa Britania mal fa Samoa, o mawale Julina au Kilani. Angana fa Britania pole English tutusaila o eto alua, Sandisha Antonio, Masara Faith Tawalangi. Matematika pole mathematics, wa mawale tamaitai o Mariana Pamanatu. Tope mai. Social studies, wa mawale tamaitai o Eleanor Salvation Fatu. Pa tope mai. Whaasayanisi pole basic science, o whamanuia e tamaitai o Mariana Whamanatu. Ope ele ngoa. Ngangana Samoa pole Samoan language, o toe maua fo ilea e Tiulina au Kilani. Music, whamanuia el tamaitai o Pauline Leota. Tope mai Pauline. Computer, wa mawale tamaitai o Mariana Whamanatu. HPE, pole health, physical education, watoe maua fo tamaitai o Eleanor Salvation Fatu. Visual art, wa maua lea Chongling Polito. Ole tamaitai walu I luma lo na taumawhai mai le kuata mo le media exam. Te lela na laa mai luma nei le whai ungo nei tausanga. Ole most improved wa mawale Tiulina au Kilani. Ia wha wawa I pelenga lue le lei. Good service, tu saila to atolu. E ngalulue leia sau whanau ia I lātou ia whaia mo lātou le. E ngalue le leia so umalawa wholola mene. Ana Julia, Anastasia Faumui. Arts and crafts. Pola tusiata lelei. Toatori la toa tusai, Flora Benny, Petrolani, Kotonga Ngae, Matrinity, Kitiona. Tato wo mai tu langa wasenga. O le o moaina le tūlanga tolu, Sandisha Antonio.
Thank you.
Tūlanga lua, wa mawale Mariana Famanatu. Ma le tūlanga mua, o le masenga valu potus fuluona lua afe lua wha, wa mawale Eleanor Salvation Fatu.
Ia, o le teimi ne, o mai ei le tau au ino tatou special awards po o whailonga whapitoa. O le tatou whailonga whapitoa mua, o le Marion Award. Whiriwhiri mai ei le tamaitai o le senga valu. A mi o le lei tau saafia, ia tō angai lea onga, ai mai se lava o le ola ina o vituti o le tinapa i o Maria. O le Marion Award, whaamanu iei nai le tamaitai Julina Aukilani from year 8, room 16. O mai lalo I melo e sister. Whaawawa I pēr lea tei ne lelei, a mi o lelei, ia mai se o le tamawhai e o la ina vituti o tinapa ia. Thank you. Our next special award, donated by the late Mrs. Rosalie Mataia and family. It's for the best critical thinker and best reader. Goes to Jacqueline Tevanga from year 8, room 15. Loyaile certificates, trophy, and a cash prize worth 200 sala. Malo Jacqueline. Tato o mai lesi tato special award. Ile vasenga whaamanuaina ile charity. Whaafatai le tato laumua mai ile vasenga tasi e o le vasenga valu. Ia tusa e fo e mo lea tato whai ngā taulanga. Ela le tato charity. Ia waiai le vasenga o whaamanuaina ai. Atoa year 8, room 16. Malo le anganga foai, malo fai taulanga. Ia whaftai whanau malava mo le foai fo e ala i tatou whai ngā mea alofa lea i le charity. Best Talent 2024 goes to year 5, room 9. Ia o le mea alofa lea mo le tatou taitaiulu nei tausanga, Jacqueline Tevanga. Deputy Head Girl, Chinkwa Kiao. Ia whasolo mai loa tatou prefects. Tuilunga tatou prefects. Ma lo le tautua, le nei tausanga. Whaftai le ngalue wha maoni ma le ngalue le lei. A mai tatou prefects, ia. Sauni mai tatou house captains. House captains. E kufa whasolo a koa. Prefects, what about prefects? Huh? Yeah, house captains.
Whaftaila wa fionga Sister Malia Losalia, mo le awanoa mo le tau aoina o whailonga whapitoa. Whaftai fo i taitai o le aonga ne tau sanga lua afe lua wha, tau ngā pātia ma le lango i le ainga whai aonga, whamanuia le atua i ate o tau. Now we come to the moment that we all waiting for. Level 8 overall subjects, 2024. Religious education goes to Macholia Patsolo. Oi whamalulu atu wala watu lo fionga Sister Marcela Tensio se ia fio mai tau aoina e tu whatasinga o le overall a le vasenga valua ne tau sanga lua o lua wha. Ia, mais patpatele mo le afionga ia Sister Marcela Tensio. Patpatsi Sangata Maria le watato to ai tau nu mai le vaenga o taua. Written expression, level 8 overall, Macholia Patsolo. Formal English, level 8 overall, goes to Macholia Patsolo. Mathematics overall, level 8, 2024, goes to Hingua Kiao. Social Studies overall of year 8, 2024, goes to Hingua Kiao. Basic Science overall, level 8, 2024, again, Hingua Kiao. Samoan language overall in year 8 goes to Rulia Vaulico. Overall in music goes to Macholia Patsolo. Computer overall in year 8, 2024, goes to Hingua Kiao. O mai luma la overall, o mai tula mai luma fai lo atu to tau tinga in malo ma. Overall positions in level 8, 2024. Third ducks in year 8 St. Mary's Primary School, 2024. Goes to Hingua Kiao. Hingua. Second place, second ducks in year 8 St. Mary's Primary 2024 goes to Rulia Vaulico. And St. Mary's Primary School ducks in year 8, 2024 goes to Hingua Kiao. Congratulations, girls. Malo.
whaftai, ia o le avanoa nei, le atu ina atu loa i le tamaitai wa sili au au le nei tausanga ia mo lana launga.
Ai ona tātou au lia maile nei aso. O se aso ua ata whaina, tātou tutoe te pataula a ieinga luenga maa onga le nei tausanga. E le ngata i lea o le vasenga whaau, lea ua tini lo tātou sa, lea na tātou whola wai mo tausanga e walu male manuia. It is with great privilege and honor to take this opportunity to stand on behalf of the graduating class of 2024 to give our sincere gratitude to all those who have guided us throughout our 8 years journey as students of St. Mary's Savalalo. As stated by the Archbishop Mosese at our previous Thanksgiving Mass, there are 4 things we must be grateful for. Firstly, to our Heavenly Father, for without His love, guidance, and protection, we wouldn't have made it this far. Thus, to conclude this school year. Second, to our dear principal and staff for devoting and giving all of their time into our education, ensuring our ability to prepare for greater challenges, higher levels of education, and the next steps of our lives that awaits us. Third, to our parents and our family, for all the support in all and every aspects that we couldn't have done on our own. And lastly, to the SMSM sisters for keeping us in their prayers. Whawhetai te le lava. E leo iei ni manuia ia I mātou nei le whanau. Ai olo o sila pēr fufonga alo tātou atua. O le na te au watu le tau isili mo o tau taito atas. To my teachers, starting from my early years of studying in St. Mary's Primary, the next class and on to the next, all the way up until this year, thank you. I have no words to explain this deep feeling of thankfulness for everything you have done and the influences you have brought into my life as a young student. Ua ngā le tā ma le sasa, sato au mai, ua whātu mina ai se vaenga o le utu, ale au ona whātau waa. To my classmates and my friends, thank you for the memorable years, the good and the bad, the tears and the laughters we had shared together over the years. To my whole family, both nuclear and extended, thank you for everything. To my dad, Jan Long Chao, and my mom, Ipsuyaki, for their hard work and sacrifices, for supporting me financially, mentally, and physically. To my aunts and my cousin, not forgetting my youth leader, thank you for being here today. I appreciate your presence. To conclude my talk, I dedicate all these awards to my parents for doing everything for me, most especially Mom for dropping me in Chinko to school every day and making sure that everything is well prepared. Not forgetting my mentor and motivator, my big sister Danda, for encouraging me to do better and for always believing that I can do better than before, and my twin sister Chinkwa for being by my side. If there is one thing I would like to share with each and every one of you, is the power of fasting and prayers. It is marvelous and wonderful. Pei ona suina mai ile ya kopom sa upumua mua fai upa lima. A fai wa le se potu so oto. Ina le atu ye le atua. O le fai te le mai tau ta uma. Ma le tu e tau ta ua. It's that simple. For the class of 2024, as we close this chapter with the
Sa
Society of Mary, school principal, deputy principal, teachers, parents, and my siblings at St. Mary's School Savalalo. It is with humility that I represent my Level 8 sisters for 2024 to present a token of our appreciation and an extension of God's love through a donation collected through our collective efforts this year. It is a tradition for the Level 8 students to come up with a project or a financial contribution to the school that has nurtured and educated us both academically and spiritually over the years. This donation is therefore our shared commitment to supporting St. Mary's School Savalalo's motto today and tomorrow. Umaaria Olotsayalo. The work being done by Level 8s this year is nothing short of inspiring, juggling our schoolwork and our social responsibilities to our school. It's a powerful reminder of what can be achieved when we lead with compassion and determination. We did it, girls. God is good. This donation is our way of standing beside you all, believing in our motto, and helping bring it to life. Through living Mother Mary's virtues of humility, service, lively faith, blind obedience, love, patience, and kindness. As we've come to the end of our journey here with our beloved St. Mary's School, know that we have been gifted with life learning lessons that every one of us will take to the next part of our journey. I am the handmaid of the Lord. This is the church theme for the year 2024. This is the theme for the year 8 of 2024 St. Mary's School Savalalo, which has inspired all that we have done and presented through this donation. We hope it will help the sisters. We hope it will help principal and teachers. Malilie ua pau o se mea ua o iai sa mafainga bai o matso whanau nei. Tausanga walu ile nei tausanga. Ia whapa ia mawhamanuia iai lea tua, a walo na whaanga ina mole tatou lau mua. Thank you for the opportunity given to us to serve with humility, with obedience, with faith, with love, and with kindness. May the Lord continue to place our sisters of the SMSM, principal and teachers, parents, our dear school to our hearts, St. Mary's School Savalalo. When we have done everything that was assigned to us, the glory and honor remains with our Heavenly Father, while we humble ourselves and say, we are merely unworthy servants. Soifua Maya Manuia. Ole au whainga ole se leni ua sau au ina li whanau nei, e iwa afe, lima se lau ma le fiti. Iwa afe, lima se lau ma le fiti. Me alofa le nei alwasinga balu, e sosoani mo le lau mua. Ma le whale a aunga fau. Malawa tinole te mai tai pule e a fio mai e tau au le whailonga.
Couldn't forget what you did last December. You left my heart on bed.
Ia se mai se patipati ka tau, patipati. Mole ai sema matemokia sa pedaina le basema lima potuiba.
Special. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go back.
The stars are brightly shining.